my name is Rick Welch and I'm the Business and Technology Department Chairperson here at Burke Catholic. I'd like to introduce my colleague, Mr. Chad Richter, who is the Advanced Computer Instructor. The Business Department offers business classes such as accounting, management, business law, business financial management, introduction to business, and principles of marketing. The Business Department offers 3 college credit courses in conjunction with St. Thomas Aquinas College of New York. These courses are Personal Financial Management, Principles of Marketing, and Introduction to Business. Our classes are taken by juniors and seniors. Those students who express an interest in majoring in business in college are encouraged to take as many business classes here at Burke to be prepared for college. Our computer classes include computer applications, web design, coding, and desktop publishing. We welcome everyone to Burke and the Business and Technology Department and know we are here to help you. Thank you and have a good day.